In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email signature in HubSpot Easy 2026 Guide. We'll set up a clean, professional signature right inside your HubSpot account, so it appears automatically when you send emails. Start on your HubSpot home screen after signing in. Using a modern browser helps the editor behave smoothly. Look to the top right and click your profile picture or initials. That opens your personal menu. From there, choose Profile and Preferences. This is where HubSpot stores settings specific to your user, including email options. In the Preferences view, find and select Email. You'll see settings related to sending and formatting messages. Next, click Manage Email Signatures. This opens the Signature Editor, where you can create and organize different signatures for different purposes. Begin by giving your signature a name. This name is for you. It won't be visible to recipients, so pick something descriptive, like primary signature or outreach signature. Clear names make it easier to switch later without guessing. Now build the body of your signature in the editor box. Type your full name, your job title, and your company. If it's helpful, include a main phone line and a website or calendar link so contacts can reach you quickly. Keep the layout simple and readable. Use a single font family, limit colors to your brand palette, and use line breaks to separate information. The toolbar lets you add links to your text, adjust font size, or emphasize key items. If you use a logo or headshot, keep images small so your emails load fast, and add alt text for accessibility. Avoid pasting from heavily formatted documents. If you do, use the editor's clear formatting option to keep things neat. You can also add required legal text, a confidentiality note, or regional compliance details if your organization needs them. When everything looks good, click Save. HubSpot stores the signature and makes it available when you compose or reply to emails from the CRM. If you created more than one, the names you chose will help you pick the right one from the signature menu while drafting. That's it. You went from the home screen to your profile, into email settings, opened the Signature Manager, named your signature, added professional details, and saved your work. Small refinements here go a long way toward making every email consistent and on brand. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.